kind of gaming power can you expect from the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite with a blazing fast 185Hz display? Let's find out. Today, we're taking an early look at the Redmi K100 Pro Max to see if it's really built for serious gaming.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Before the gaming tests, let's check the hardware. The Redmi K100 Pro Max packs the latest 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite paired with the AI-DR graphics chip, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage. You also get a super smooth 185Hz display, Redmi's new Rampage engine, a huge 6,300mm² circulating cold pump, and 30,000mm² of cooling materials. On paper, this phone looks like a gaming monster, but can it deliver in real gameplay? To find out, we tested several popular games using PerfDog. Every test used the same setup: 25 degrees Celsius room temperature, 200 nits brightness, berserk mode turned on, and all background apps cleared. Let's start with Honor of Kings. After 30 minutes in 144 FPS mode, the Redmi K100 Pro Max averaged an impressive 143.8 FPS while using only 4.3 watts of power. Temperatures reached 42.7 degrees Celsius on the back and 40.1 degrees Celsius on the front. Holding a near-perfect 144 FPS was effortless for this hardware. Even more impressive was the touch experience. The phone features a 480Hz real-time touch sampling rate and an incredible 4800Hz sequential touch sampling rate. Redmi also optimized touch response for Honor of Kings. During gameplay, every swipe, combo, and skill activation felt instant, making the controls incredibly smooth and accurate. Next, we tested CrossFire King of Guns. Using ultra graphics with native 185 FPS mode, we played Team Deathmatch for 1 hour. The phone delivered an average of 184.7 FPS, with a 1% low of 172.7 FPS. Power consumption stayed at just 3.9 watts, while temperatures reached 44.2 degrees Celsius on the back and 42.9 degrees Celsius on the front. Running at 185 FPS sounds intense, but the Redmi K100 Pro Max handled it with ease. Gameplay stayed almost perfectly locked without noticeable stutters. Fast aiming, quick movement, and intense firefights all felt incredibly fluid. Even after an hour, GPU temperatures barely climbed, showing just how effective the cooling system is. Based on these results, the phone should comfortably maintain stable 185 FPS gaming for much longer sessions. Of course, very few games officially support 185 FPS today. That's where Redmi's AI-DR graphics chip comes in. It enables super resolution and 185 FPS frame interpolation in games like PUBG Mobile, Delta Force, CrossFire Strongest Warrior, Valorant Primal Energy Operation, and Call of Duty Mobile. We verified this using PerfDog as well. The phone takes a native 92 FPS game output and uses AI frame interpolation to boost it to 185 FPS while keeping system load under control. Touch response and display latency remain highly optimized, making the difference nearly impossible to notice during gameplay. For FPS gamers, this feature works remarkably well and delivers a smooth, high frame rate experience with confidence. Redmi didn't stop at raw performance. It also focused on the small gaming features that can actually help you win. The phone packs a 6-axis esports gyroscope for more accurate recoil control and smoother aiming. There's also a boost gaming audio mode that makes footsteps clearer while reducing background noise, so enemy positions are much easier to hear. Redmi even added game-specific color tuning to make opponents stand out faster. From the silky smooth 185 FPS gameplay to the responsive controls and upgraded audio, it's clear this phone was built for FPS gamers. But gaming isn't just about shooters, so how does it handle demanding open-world games? For our final test, we played Honkai Impact 3rd under the same conditions, using very high graphics, 60 FPS, and 994p resolution. After 30 minutes of continuous high-speed gameplay, the Redmi K100 Pro Max averaged 59.4 FPS, while drawing only 6.7 watts of power. Temperatures reached 50.3 degrees Celsius on the back and 49.5 degrees Celsius on the front. Near the end of the test, the rival even started frame locking, showing it couldn't sustain peak performance. The performance data explains why. On the Redmi K100 Pro Max, the two prime CPU cores averaged just 1.37 GHz, while the competing phone often pushed past 2.0 GHz. Even with lower clock speeds, Redmi achieved higher CPU efficiency and slightly higher GPU utilization while producing less heat. Instead of using maximum power all the time, it delivered only the performance needed. That's why it maintained stable frame rates with lower temperatures and better power efficiency. Looking at all the results, it's obvious Redmi has fully optimized the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite. The Redmi K100 Pro Max delivers an outstanding gaming experience with its 185Hz display, intelligent performance scheduling, fast touch response, excellent cooling, and enhanced audio. It's not just powerful, it's optimized where it matters most. And this is only our first look at the Redmi K100 Pro Max. Our full in-depth review is coming right after the official launch on August 11th, so don't miss it. Subscribe now, join our tech community, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!